Hello friends, I'm Christopher.
And I'm Charlotte.
And today on Gardening with Children, we are going to be picking berries and other things for jam and for eating. Okay, right now we've got a couple things that are ripe. We have strawberries ready to go. Got to get them before all the birds and other critters take care of it. We've got gooseberries ready to go. These are loaded with pectin. They're perfect for making jam. I've got rhubarb to harvest. I love putting rhubarb in jam, rhubarb raspberry, etc. And we've got mint also that I harvested. A rhubarb mint jam is something I'm going to try this year. And we're going to pick a little bit of everything, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Which fruit should we pick first?
Blackberries.
We don't have blackberries. How about strawberries?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, let's do it.
Let's pick
All right, friends, in this bed I grow strawberries and asparagus. They work really well together. Asparagus roots are 12 inches and deeper. Strawberries are at about 6-inch strata, so they draw different nutrients from different places, and the asparagus kind of protects the strawberries as they ripen. Charlotte, stand up. So, when do we pick a strawberry?
We pick with our hand.
We pick it with our hand. We pick strawberries when they turn from green to what color?
Red.
Red, that's right. Can you see any red things in here?
Yeah. Pick it.
Pick it, okay. Oh, it's perfect. Now, we'll collect these, but you can try one. Ready? Lean over, because it's gonna be juicy. I don't want to get it on your dress. Take a bite. What do you think?
Good.
Good? Okay. Let's pick more. You point to the red.
Where is that?
And move some things to the side. Whoa! Ta-da!
Next to blueberries.
We're gonna put them all in this and then we'll eat them later. So why don't you walk around and point out the red things, okay? Point. You want to pull it off? Can you grab it with your hands? Yep, and now pull. Good, now put it in the barrel. Some of them might be not perfectly red, but they'll be nice and ripe. Let's keep walking and picking. Gotta look. You can get that. You can get that all yourself. Go ahead.
But this is gonna be prickly.
No, it's not prickly, nope. Strawberries are nice and soft. Good, put it in the barrel.
But I found one again.
You found one again? Oh, that's a good one. This is my rhubarb. This plant is, gosh, 60, 70 years old. It belonged to my friend Ruthie. She's in her early 80s now. It was her daddy's at her house when she was a little girl. And it's been grown and transplanted at different places, all that jazz. I'm really proud of it. It's a family heirloom, so to speak. And I should have harvested a lot of this already, so we're gonna do a couple stalks right now. Right?
Right.
Okay, come on over. Jump down. Look at these leaves. Ready? Daddy's gonna pick the first one, and then we'll make it easier for you, okay? Twist. Whoa! Charlotte, look at the camera. Come here, turn around. Ready? Charlotte, look at the camera. Look at that. Look at how big you are next to that leaf. It's as tall as you are. You want to pick one now?
Yeah.
Let's try another one. Oh, this is a good one. Ready? You can help.
Oh.
Okay, you grab it. And we'll pull. Yep, you can do it. Here, you're doing a good job. Grab it.
It's too big for me.
It's too big for you? Okay, well sometimes things are too big and daunting. We just come back and try again later. Okay, Charlotte, this is called a gooseberry bush. Say gooseberry.
Gooseberry.
Do you see the little berries on there? They're green?
Yeah, what's the
Yeah, we're gonna pick some. So, these you grab with your fingers and you pull, okay? Go ahead and grab some. From the bottom there, sure. Grab it and pull. Give it a good pull. Nice. Yep, go ahead. There's a whole bunch right here, look it. Why don't you pick those? Pick up from the bottom and pull down. Here, pick them from the bottom, grab the berry, and pull down. Yep, that's right. Pull, give it a good pull. There we go. You can make this an activity, seriously, for a long time, especially if you're picking berry by berry. We'll do some here until we get tired, and then I'll come out. Gooseberries, ooh, that's the jam maker right there. Gotta be careful if you're doing these with kids because they do have big thorns, so just be mindful of it. Don't let your arms go straight on in. But this is a fun activity, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, one by one.
Easy.
This is easy, all right. Charlotte, do you know what this is?
Yeah, mint.
Mint, that's right. Excuse me, I grow mint primarily in barrels, but I started it in a raised bed a couple years ago, like a fool. It's in the same family as Creeping Charlie, so it spreads like a weed. It always grows in the raised bed still between the strawberries, so I just harvested a great big chunk of it. But if we need more for cooking and things throughout the year, I'll have it in this barrel. Real easy to pick, and it smells good, right?
Now wait.
Okay, why don't you hold the bowl, right? Pick up a strawberry and show our friends. Show it to the camera. There we go. Well, thank you for joining us today. Getting your kids out and picking things is a great activity. She's 2.5. She's good at pulling things that are growing on a plant. Obviously those berries have a little bit of tension. Easy to get off the gooseberries, easy to get off the strawberries. The rhubarb's a little bit tougher to twist, right? And it can be intimidating when you're picking a thing that is bigger than you are. But, oh, careful. We don't want to squeeze that too hard and get it on our pretty dress, right?
Oh.
Yes, so be mindful if you've got a kid that likes to grasp. Charlotte doesn't, but who knows? You don't want to be messy, right?
No.
No, okay. Well, thanks for watching us. Hope you're having fun in the garden with your children this year. What are you doing? Let us know down in the comments below. And if you like this, you know what to do. Until next time, what do we say?
Bye.
Bye, happy gardening.
Happy gardening. Bye, camera.